Hey there, nature lovers. Today I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most breathtaking places on Earth, Deosai National Park in Pakistan. Imagine endless plains stretching as far as your eyes can see, dotted with vibrant wildflowers and pristine streams. That's Deosai for you. Also known as the Land of Giants, this place sits at an altitude of over 13,000 feet. It's one of the highest plateaus in the world. But what makes Deosai truly magical is its unique ecosystem. Here the Himalayan brown bear roams free. These majestic creatures are a sight to behold, but they're also endangered. Deosai is one of the last habitats where they still thrive. Now let's talk about the air. It's so pure, so crisp, you can almost taste the wilderness. Breathing it in feels like a cleanse for your soul. The silence here is almost otherworldly, only interrupted by the occasional bird song or the rustling of the wind. Speaking of birds, Deosai is a birdwatcher's paradise. From the striking golden eagles to the delicate snowfinches, you'll find a variety of avian life fluttering about. Each bird adds a unique note to the symphony of nature. Now the flora. You'll find a carpet of wildflowers in the summer. Yellows, purples, reds, they paint the landscape with such vivid colors it feels like walking through a living art gallery. And then, there are the stars. When night falls, Deosai transforms into one of the best stargazing spots in the world. The Milky Way stretches across the sky like a cosmic river, and shooting stars make frequent appearances. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the elusive snow leopard. Though sightings are rare, knowing they're out there adds an element of mystery to your adventure. So, if you're ever looking to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature, Deosai is your sanctuary. No music needed, just the harmonious sounds of the wild. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. Until next time, keep exploring.